The Temecula Valley Unified School District is defending two controversial policies about race and gender in court today. KTLA 5's Chip Yost is live in Riverside with more on the lawsuit brought by a group of students, parents, and teachers. Chip?
Yeah, hey there, Lou. As you talked about, these are two issues we're talking about here. One involving what kids should or shouldn't be taught in the classroom. Another involving whether or not parents have the right to be notified if their kid comes to school and tells a teacher that they want to be identified as a sex different than what they were born as. Both of those issues now playing out inside a Riverside County courtroom. That is because some parents, teachers, and students have filed a lawsuit against the district claiming their policies on these issues violate their rights. The Temecula Valley Unified School District has passed policies, one involving critical race theory, what they call critical race theory. The district has banned teachers from teaching certain elements that they say and may indoctrinate students in their belief, may lead them toward a political ideology. On the other side, though, some of the folks filing this lawsuit said it is the district showing their political ideology by banning some of these subjects from being taught. The other issue we're talking about involves a policy that requires staff from a school to notify parents if a student does come in and say they want to be identified as a sex other than what they were born as. Now, in this court case, they've had a couple big issues come up, or a couple big rulings come up in the last week, and it's kind of 1-to-1 if you're keeping score. Last week, a judge ruled that there was merit that this lawsuit filed by the students, parents, and teachers against the district could move forward. Today, they were asking a judge to give a preliminary injunction that would prevent prevent the district from applying these policies until the lawsuit is settled. However, the judge denied that request for a preliminary injunction. We talked to an attorney for the parents, students, and teachers after the hearing who says she will appeal.
We obviously disagree with that. We're really troubled that students in Temecula are right now sitting in classrooms and being denied access to concepts that students in almost every other district in the state are receiving.
Now, we have reached out to the Temecula Valley Unified School District, but have not heard back as of yet. For now, reporting live here in Riverside, I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.